Atoppa state Shingda Mahei Tamliba Maheiroi Khaktana Aphaba Maheiroini Haiba Yaroi Punsida Mai Pakpa Mioi Ama Oige Khalabadi Hotnaba Kanba Mathau Tai Haina Manipur Lengaki Minority Affairs OBC Amadi SC gi Commissioner Armstrong Pamena Phongdurakli Wafamase Kangpokpi District ki Mapau Jingtun Khulenda Leiba Needy Home Academy gi Kunga Humdui Suba Art and Literary Meet ki Thoramda Phongdokivani Role of Christianity and Morality in Education Haiba Wakhalonda Pangthokpa Thoram aduda Armstrong na hai Maheiroi singna school gi exam da makok thongba ngamle haiduna laithokpa tawroidabani Kunai asida masak thokpa amadi singthaningai oiba mfam ama kannaba hotnaba tangai fade hotnaba kandraba amadi tamliba mahei aduda thawai yaudravadi punshida mai pakpa mioi ama oiba ngamloi Mapan lamda chatlaga Mahei tamba Khaktana mai pakpa mioi oigani haibasu leite oja singna su hena kupthana amadi Maheiroi singna araiba maongda khangba yanadabagi maongda takpi tambiba mathau tai haina mahakna phongdoki Nagalamaromda thauramadu da sarukya kiba DM University gi Associate Professor Arambam Noni na hai kumjali singani kunga humdoigi me tang ahum dagi thokliba irang asigi mamangda school asida furup khudingma ki Maheiroi sing amatta oina Mahei taminaki Tungi yumbi oirakadaba aikoigi nahasing aduki matik haithoi singthoiba ngaktani maramaduna matam pumnamakta amaga nungsinana leigedabani mayai kaba chinjaktagi lapna leigedabani hainasu arambam nonina makhataki
I did very well in my class 11 and 12. I scored 96 in maths, 95 in physics, 93 in chemistry. I thought, I have beaten all these Bengali boys, you know. I thought, I've done very well. Then when I went to Delhi, my class physics had 40 students. When the teacher started teaching, seriously, I did not understand anything. Okay? So, for first 3 months, whenever the teacher starts writing an equation on the board, because I used to score 0 in class test, one of the very old professor, he likes me. Okay?
Education is also about de-learning. Right? De-learning of what? Hatred. You have to de-learn hatred. You have to learn loving each other. You have to, be hopeful. You don't have to be always pessimistic about your society, your world, your worldviews. If you see all these things, I think we have to move far beyond the conventional design of education, where we thought that it is all about getting good degrees and good marks. Not really so. So in that sense, I think we have a responsibility in this age of difficult times. We have to have a process of learning.